पर्रीकर हांची आज डेथ एनिवर्सरी. त्या डेथ एनिवर्सरीच्या निमित्तान गोंय सरकारच्या वतीन तांकां आदरांजली दिवपा खातीर हांव म्हज्या बरोबर आमचे गोंय राज्याचे राज्यपाल हे म्हज्या बरोबर आशिल्ले आमचे CS एडमिनिस्ट्रेशनाचे सगळे ऑफिसर मनोहर भाईंचे दोन सुपुत्र हे आदरांजली दिवपा खातीर आयिल्ले. ऑलवेज मनोहर भाई जेन्ना आर्किटेक्ट ऑफ न्यू गोवा म्हणून वळखले वतले. इनोवेटीव प्रोजेक्ट त्यांच्या कार्यकाळात जाल्ले हे पुराय कंप्लीट करपाचो योग म्हाका आयलो. पण सातत्यात इनोवेटीव थिंग्स करपा खातीर त्यांचो हातखडो आशिल्लो. ओके, त्या खातीर आज परत एकदा हांव गोंय सरकारच्या वतीन आनी तमाम गोंयच्या लोकांच्या वतीन भारतीय जनता पार्टीच्या वतीन तांकां आदरांजली दिता. तांची याद ही सदोदीत आमच्या तकलेंत कायमची आसतली की तेंच्यांनी केल्लें गोंया खातीर योगदान आनी संरक्षण मंत्री म्हणून तेंच्यांनी केल्लें देशा खातीरचें योगदान हें पर्मनंटली लोकांच्या मेमरींत उरतलें. आनी म्हणून तर देशभरांतले लोक आयजूय बी जेन्ना गोंयांत मिरामार बिचाचेर येता तेन्ना मनोहर भाईंची समाधी लागीं आसा म्हणटा उपरांत ती तेंच्या समाधी स्थळाचेर भेट दितात आनी तांकां श्रद्धांजली दितात. देव बरें करूं.
Above all, whatever it is, Manohar Parrikar ji was a humanist. I won't go into the Goan angle of it because it doesn't make sense. All of you know. I'll go from the parts I come from. Now we have one of the best Sainik schools there. And at that time when he was defense minister, our thinking at that time was we should have girl cadets. It opened for defense also because earlier it was more male oriented. So when I spoke to him, because I was handling a colleague of his, we worked together. When I spoke to him, he said that yes, we will do this, but not immediately. Because once the NDA takes girl cadets, we will open Sainik schools also to girl cadets throughout the country. I wish he had lived more to see those days where girls cadets are now there everywhere in the country. And the way he contributed to that is something. As a former colleague, person who has worked with him, with Government of India, we feel a little lost. And we always pray to God that may his soul rest in eternal peace.